Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure the VDI guest supports Bluetooth pass-through and you have admin rights on the host. Insert or enable the Bluetooth adapter in the hypervisor, then inside the Swift VDI 2015 VM open System Preferences and enable Bluetooth so the VM can see devices. Put your headset or keyboard into pairing mode. This signals the VM to detect it. Once the device appears, select it and click Pair. You're now past the first actionable step toward an actual connection. Once the device is discovered, you handle drivers and pairing details. If a vendor driver or helper app is required, download the correct Swift VDI 2015 compatible driver and install it inside the VM, then reboot if prompted. Return to Bluetooth settings, select the device, and initiate connect. Confirm any PIN or pairing code shown on both ends. Make sure the required Bluetooth profiles like A2DP for audio or HID for keyboards are active in the Services section. Otherwise, the device may pair but lack functionality. To finish, verify the device works in the intended app. Play audio, type characters, or transfer a file to confirm the profile. Then set the Bluetooth device as the default input or output in sound or keyboard preferences so apps use it automatically. If connection fails, try the key troubleshooting step. Disable and re-enable Bluetooth pass-through in the hypervisor, remove the device from the VM's Bluetooth list, reboot the host and the Swift VDI 2015 VM, then repair. This clears common state and often resolves issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.